All right, welcome back to part two of trying to clean this sink. So before I do the chemicals that I bought, I'm gonna try one more time. I got these scrubbers for the drill, and I'm gonna try to put some Barkeeper's Friend on there and use this and see if the speed of the drill might help get some of this stuff up a little better than what I was going through. So let me put this on here. I don't know if this will work or not, but I'm gonna give it a shot before I try to strip it. Well, I see no difference. So, it's obviously too tough for that. Damn it. Again, I don't know the history of this. I'm guessing that is paint. But, I mean, I just want to get it cleaned up. See this? I bought some of this. So, this removes latex, oil, and chalk paint. It's hard to put on a thick coat with it being on an angle like that, but we're going to give it a shot. The Goof Off says dried latex paint removes the toughest stuff, and it says directions. Always wear safety goggles. People with sensitive skin shouldn't use it. Apply it to a cloth, then blot or rub lightly. You may need to wax some surfaces to renew gloss. So it doesn't even say to wait. So let me try this out in a different area. That's doing nothing. It's looking like I'm going to be stuck with the sandpaper and water and the bartender's friend. I can scrape off the thick stuff that, I can feel and get it down to where it's just the stain. The stain comes out with the sandpaper. But I will have to use that sandpaper for hours and hours just to get the thick stuff down. I think this stuff might work. Now I'm going to wait 30 minutes and then I'll come back. and we'll see if it accomplished anything or if, you know, I'm just stuck with hard work. The Goof Off, no, that's not doing it. The CLR is not doing it. The barkeeper's friend does it, but you got to work your ass off for it. So I don't know what this stuff will be good for, but we'll put everything else up. All right, guys. It's been 30 minutes. Let's see if anything thinned out enough to scrape off. I don't know, folks. I don't know what this stuff is. Because this has dissolved nothing. Wow. I don't know what to try next. I'm going to try a little bit more aggressive pad. And the barkeeper's friend again. See what we come up with here. Well, it looks like it's having somewhat of an effect. Wow. Maybe a combination. It's hard to say. Go and get this foamed up and let it sit for a few minutes. Well, you folks see it. It's not going to be easy. I wonder if I can hold the pad on there with the drill. Well, I believe the only way to get it is by hand. In case you question why people charge so much to restore these things. But yeah, it's gonna make it. This is gonna be a long time. Alright, let's see what we got here. Now, I cannot tell you if that paint stripper had anything to do with softening it up, maybe. I don't think it did. But look at that. Man. Just a boatload of elbow grease. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's see what happens here. Alright, I'm done for the night. I've pretty much worn this pad out anyway. It's not doing much. So, clean up my mess. A couple more hours, I ought to be done with it. All right, the end of day 2. Looking good. Definitely looking much better. Hopefully tomorrow I can show you the finished product. I'll get the faucet, do a final cleanup, and see where we stand.